Today on Uncovered, we'll explore the rise of the New York Knicks. From their early days as basketball pioneers to a massive championship parade down the Canyon of Heroes, this team has a story full of heart, hustle, and history. The New York Knicks are one of the most famous basketball teams on the entire planet. Playing their home games at the legendary Madison Square Garden, they represent the bright lights, fast pace, and big energy of New York City. But building a championship team does not happen overnight. It takes decades of hard work, legendary players, and fiercely loyal fans who never stop believing, even when times get tough. So, how did this iconic franchise start, and what did it take to finally bring the championship trophy back to the city that never sleeps? Let us find out. To understand the Knicks, you have to understand the National Basketball Association, or the NBA. The NBA is the premier professional basketball league in the world, where the greatest athletes compete for the ultimate prize. The New York Knickerbockers, shortened to the Knicks, are one of the original founding members of this league. They are a professional sports organization made up of players, coaches, trainers, and managers who all work together with one single goal. Their job is to outscore opponents, win grueling playoff series, and ultimately capture the championship title. Think of a professional basketball team like a massive school group project that lasts for an entire year. Every single person has a highly specific role to play, from the star scorer who leads the presentation to the defensive players who do the heavy lifting behind the scenes. If one person does not do their job, the whole project falls apart. For the Knicks, this group project happens in front of 20,000 screaming fans every single night. The pressure is incredibly high, making their ultimate success even more impressive to watch. The story of this legendary team begins at the very dawn of professional basketball. In 1946, the team was founded as an original basketball league member. They helped pioneer the fast-paced sport we know today, playing in the very first game in league history. Decades later, they reached the absolute peak of success. During the early 1970s, the team won their first two historic championship titles. They were led by legendary players who played through painful injuries to inspire their city. But sports are full of changing eras. Throughout the 1990s, the team became famous for their incredibly tough defensive style. They battled fiercely in the playoffs, proving that hard work and grit were equally important as scoring points. After those fierce defensive years, the franchise faced a long championship drought. To get back to the top, they had to completely start over. In recent years, the organization focused on rebuilding a strong and resilient roster. They drafted exciting new talents and built a culture of unselfish teamwork. All that patience finally paid off in a historic way. In 2026, the team finally won the championship and celebrated with the parade. From their founding in 1946 through the golden era of the 70s and the gritty 90s to their modern rebuilding phase, the Knicks proved that true champions never give up on their ultimate goal. This historic victory matters because sports are about much more than putting a basketball through a hoop. A championship team brings an entire city together, uniting millions of people from completely different backgrounds to cheer for a common cause. The Knicks' 53-year wait between titles teaches us an incredible lesson about loyalty and perseverance. Generations of fans pass down their love for the team, proving that true dedication means sticking with your community through both the thrilling winning streaks and the difficult rebuilding years. If you want to learn more about the amazing history of basketball, you can visit the official website of the Naismith Memorial Basketball Hall of Fame. Their online exhibits feature incredible stories about the game's greatest players, the evolution of the rules, and the original teams that started it all. You can even find highlight videos showing exactly how the game has changed from the 1940s to today. Exploring the Hall of Fame is a fantastic way to see how your favorite modern sports heroes connected directly to the legends of the past. Quick check. Here is my question. During what decade did the New York Knicks win their first two historic championship titles? The 1970s. The New York Knicks' journey from an original founding franchise to modern champions is a powerful story of resilience, teamwork, and unbreakable community spirit. Next time you play a team sport or work on a challenging group project, remember that true success requires patience and everyone working together toward a shared goal. Hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss a new Uncovered. That's the story behind how the New York Knicks made history.